Hello everyone. So this is our third video on cloud computing in which we are going to discuss about why use cloud and how clouds are changing. So first we need to know about the characteristics. If you are familiar with the characteristics of cloud computing, so it would be easy for you to get to know about why to use cloud. The first thing is scalability. We can easily scale up and down our cloud services according to our needs. So that was the scalability for which the cloud should be opted. The second reason is the heterogeneity of cloud, means it is not bounded for any of the scalability or the scale of the organization, means it is not meant for the large organization or some small organizations. It is heterogeneous, means any of the organization who require cloud computing can opt it and make use of its services. The third reason is the multi-tenancy, means the multiple tenants can use the cloud from any of the geographical locations, and in our further videos we will be discussing about the multi-tenancy in cloud computing. Fourth reason to use cloud is the availability from any of the location, means it provides us the ability to access the data from any of the geographical location. So that's the major benefit to opt to the cloud. The another reasons to use the cloud is we need not require any kind of servers, we need not require any kind of strong machines for processing of data. We just need to pay for the services, we just need to get the services as per according to our requirements and pay for those. That was all about why to use the cloud computing. Sorry, I forgot to mention about the another reason to use the cloud, that is the upgraded version of softwares are available to the user, means if someone is using the softwares on the cloud, they will get the current version or the new versions or updated versions of the software so that they can use the best services. That's the major reason to opt to cloud or to use the cloud services. That means you will be having the latest version of the applications or the latest versions of the softwares to use. That would be an addition to the user experience also. This was all about why to use clouds, and now we are going to proceed with how clouds are changing. We are going to talk about creating new business, enabling innovation, re-engineering of business processes, support for new level of collaboration, along with the changing economies of IT, like cloud is deriving operational efficiencies in IT through better use of resources, along with the automating service delivery, exploiting standardization, rapidly deploying new capabilities. And these were all about the points, and we will discussing it as. So the first point we are going to discuss is the creating new businesses. We know for every business one needs to incur some initial cost or the investment into the business. For an IT business to be established, one requires software and hardware that are very costly. If one is adopting the cloud, the investment would be less. One is using the cloud, and in that we need to just pay for the services we adopt or we use. The second point is enabling innovation. For any of the new innovation, we need not require any huge servers, huge systems for the innovations to be done. We just need to adopt the services, adapt the services, and pay for it. The third point is re-engineering of the business, means the applications need to be built to be machine independent, container managed with the small memory footprints. Fourth point is the support for new level of collaboration, means in this point we will discuss about the geographical location accessibility, means collaboration using the cloud is not bounded with the single geographical location, means the cloud is geographically independent of any of the location. This was all about these two topics of why to use cloud and how clouds are changing, and in our further video we will be discussing about the driving factors toward the cloud, and we will compare the grid computing along with the cloud computing. Till then, goodbye, happy learning.